Hi guys, welcome back to another video and a very special video today because I was showing you the recent mini GTs which had arrived. You got to see a lot of nice ones. Now we've got a few more mini GT previews. These ones, most of these which you'll see in this, these have not been launched until now. So this is a good thing that you'll be able to get an exclusive preview of these and hopefully you can plan what you want to get. I'll just show you the boxes which we have received as of now. In this video we'll not really be unboxing anyone, but then again, as we do, you let me know in the comments which ones are you most excited to see and we'll schedule the videos accordingly for those models. So first let's start with a pair of blisters which we have received. So this is the first blister and this is the Honda NSX. So what we have here is this one. Now this one is actually a super long name. It's the Honda NSX GT. This is the Type S GT 500 number 16. This is from the Red Bull. This is from Team Red Bull Mugen and this is the Red Bull Motul Mugen NSX GT. It's from the 2022 Super GT series. So yes, I think you might have seen this, the new Red Bull set which has come out. So the other two Red Bull cars which we have received in this, the first one is this and this is 2021 Azerbaijan GP winner car. So this is Perez car and the second one is this. Now this is 2021 Abu Dhabi winner. So actually the championship winning car. So this is it. I mean, this is the whole Red Bull lineup which you have seen recently. So these are the three Red Bull cars in this. So now we've got all the three Red Bull cars out of the way. These are the first three Red Bull cars. Which one did you like the most and which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments please. So let's have a look at another blister pack, which is this. Now this is Mizu Diecast collab. Mini GT has had this collaboration with Mizu Diecast, Indonesian designer I think, and she has done that whole Garuda, Princess Roro and Barong series which was very popular. This time it's an art on the Lincoln Capri Hot Rod and this is called Shadow Puppet. See, I really like the black and red theme in this. Very nice dark grey and black. It's a very beautiful looking model. We'll hopefully get to see it a little more in detail soon. Then let's start with a few of these. These are the Kaidos. So Kaido is only one in this shipment. It is the Kaido House Civic. Now this is the EF Kaido Works V2. It's in the Primo livery. It's just that this is in the red color. So yeah, I think it's a very nice casting. I think red should be a great color to have this in and take some photos and everything. So just keep noting down all the cars you're seeing in this video and by the end drop a comment which one are you most excited to see. Then we've got a pair of BBRs in this. You saw BBR last time, the SP3 Daytona. So here we've got not one but two BBRs. And coincidentally both of them are Maseratis. Now even if you look at the paint scheme is very similar because this is blue on white and this is white on blue. So yes, a pair of BBRs, probably will do an unboxing together of these and you'll be able to decide which one you like better. The cars are same and the colors used are also same, just that they are a little varied in terms of which color is in majority. Which one among these looks better in photos and which one do you think you like more as of now, like, you know, first and after looking at these pictures? Let me know in the comments and we'll definitely do a detailed unboxing in which we'll have a look at these in detail. So after this we've got the standard packaging mini GTs. Let's have a look at this first because this is the Lamborghini SC63 number 63. This is 2024 IMSA Sebring 12 hours and this is the Iron Lynx car. So we got to see the Iron Lynx Lamborghini earlier, the green one. Now this is also Iron Lynx Lamborghini, but this is the SC63, basically the race car. After that we've got a very cool one. I'm getting to see this casting after a long time. This is the Liberty Works Ford Mustang. I think I've got this in the grey color and all, but yes, this color, it's called gold, Liberty Works Gold. So yes, I'm looking forward to open this because yes, it looks like an exciting color. Then pair of nice ones. This one you got to see this in the last shipment. It was in the white color, but I think this one is a little more awaited among the collectors. They like this pink one because it's a cute car and the color is also very cute. So this is the Liberty Works Abarth 595 in pink. And finally, which is also the first in my collection and from what I understand, this is one of the first releases ever. This is the Jaguar CX75. This is blue left-hand drive model. So it's in this blue color and is the Jaguar CX75. So finally we'll get to see this and hopefully if you're planning to get this, you'll have a very good idea about how the detailing has been done on this. Let me know if you have pre-ordered this or something because I've seen a lot of excitement around this particular casting. Maybe in this color, maybe in some other color, but what do you think about this casting? Are you interested in getting this? So this is it guys. These are some of the new cars which Mini GT will be launching over the next 1 month or so. Among these, which one are you most excited to see first of all, so that it can help you in deciding better? You want to see the details better? Let me know. As you guys know, I always try to help you out in any way which I can. And among these, are you excited for anyone? Are you really looking forward to adding any of these in your collection? Let me know all of that in the comments. Thank you very much.